All right, what you're looking at is vegetable soup. But how do you elevate this vegetable soup in 2025? Nigerian vegetable soup is always cooked with ugu and water leaf. But in this video, I'm going to share with you how to elevate it using another healthy leaf besides ugu leaf. What is that leaf? How do you prep it? When do you add it to the soup while cooking? Well, keep watching because in this video, I'm going to share everything with you. Welcome and welcome to my channel. This is Uleluruth kitchen. Let's dive into cooking it, everyone. So here I decided to take you to the farm where you will see the leaf from the roots. Now this is what we call hospital is not far in Nigeria. That is what is popularly known, everyone. Please, if you know the botanic name for this leaf, drop it at the comment section, please, because I have been making a research on that and I've not found it yet. So please do me that favor. So let me zoom closer so you see what it looks like. Now this leaf seems to be scanty from the stems because it is harmattan, dry season in Nigeria, so that is why it's like this. The root is not getting enough water, but however it still has its nutrients. So when cutting this leaf, please be very careful because it contains some white liquid, and some says when the liquid touches you it itches. I've not had that experience though, but just in case you have a sensitive skin, but it doesn't happen in all cases. So this is what the liquid I'm talking about. This is what it looks like. Is white. I've never had that experience though, so I'm going to be getting as many as I can for this soup. So keep watching, don't go away. We're just cutting the leaf. We've not prepped. I've not showed you when to add it to your soup because we are combining it with ugu and water leaf. So when do we introduce? Do we introduce everything at the same time? No. So keep watching. I will share all of that with you. So if this is your first time, you are highly welcome. If you are returning, thanks so much for returning back. Don't forget to like, comment, share my video to your friends and families. So this is the quantity I got. I'll set it aside. Let me show you the quantity of water leaf I'm using. So for this soup, I'm using 2 hairs of water leaf. And when I say hairs, this is what it looks like, the way it is styled. And this types of water leaf with small leaves is perfect for your vegetable soup, not the broad one. I will do the prepping off camera. Here is our fresh meat, and then I have my prewrinkle known as isam. If you want to learn how to prepare this for your soup, I will leave a link at the comment section down below on how to cut and prep your isam leaf, or your prewrinkle. So before we prep the hospital is not far leaf, let's quickly put the proteins on fire. So I have my cow skin known as bomo. How do you wash it? Sometimes I use knife like you see on the screen. I'm using knife to scrape the inside, making sure all the dirt is out. You can also use iron sponge to do this. And once I'm done, I will give it a thorough wash. Hello, welcome and welcome back to my channel. If this is your first time, you are highly welcome. If you're returning, thanks for returning back. Don't forget to like my video. Don't forget to watch the ads. Don't forget to leave a super chat thanks if you love this video. All right, so I have the fish. I'll be using banla fish. So for this fish, we don't need the head because the head is going to give the soup a lots of bones. So I will take my time, open it, remove the middle bone and the feces, and give it a thorough wash. Set it aside. In a clean pot, I transfer the beef. To the beef, I'll add the cow skin. So the cow skin, I'll add the smoked mackerel, smoked banla fish, and to that I will add my garlic. If you've been watching my video, I love using my garlic to season the beef very well. To that I add onion seasoning, yellow chili pepper mixed to combine, and I will allow to simmer on a medium flame for 10 minutes, thereby allowing the nutrients, the ingredients to get into the beef. After 10 minutes, you notice that the meat has enough water and so I'll be allowing this to cook for at least 45 minutes on a medium flame. So here is our leaf. On how to wash this, you notice the leaves are white. So if you're washing this, first put salt into the water and then make sure you open each of them to make sure there is no insect sticking to it. And after that, pick them one after, and after you've given it a thorough wash, pick after another and begin to cut or dice the way you would cut ugu vegetable leaf. Cut, and after cutting everything off your hand, take it around again and cut it a second time, because your soup comes out the way you cut your leaf. If you cut it so big, butcher it for instance, it's going to come out so big. But if you cut it tiny and make it look good, oh my word, your soup will appear so inviting. So I'll be repeating this until all the leaf finish. So after 35 minutes, the beef is ready, and then I go ahead and add the water leaf. The water leaf was cut off camera. To that I add my crayfish, my yellow chili pepper. Please add yellow chili pepper according to your taste. To that add my red oil, and then I would cover to cook on medium flame for just 5 minutes. And after 5 minutes, I will take a turning stick. You notice that all the leaf are sinked inside. So I'll take a turning stick, turn it, check for salt, check for pepper, make sure everything is perfect. Then to that I add my prewrinkle known as isam and cover for just 2 minutes. After 2 minutes, the soup is not ready yet, so keep watching. So at this point, I'll be adding the ugu first. The reason, ugu is more it has the texture is a bit strong than the hospital is not fast. So first add your ugu leaf, stay for some seconds, and then add the hospital is not far last, because the texture is softer. So at this point I'm adding the hospital is not far. Mix everything within a minute on a medium flame, and our vegetable soup is ready. So this is another way to elevate your vegetable soup in 2025. Now, hospital is not far is super healthy. It contains vitamins, it contains iron, just like the ugu. So when you combine all of this together, oh my word, you have enough blood building and iron building vegetable soup you're eating. So let me know at the comment section what you think about this method of elevating your vegetable soup in 2025. Do you like it? Would you like to try it? Please leave your comments at this comment section down below. And if you did my video find you well, please don't forget to subscribe, because more videos will be coming. Thanks, stay safe, stay connected, and see you all in my next video, and bye for now.